This is the Toyo Living SD-502-02 Super Dry Humidity Control Cabinet. The SD-OT series is equipped with the latest U2000 dry unit that produces powerful dehumidification. It greatly reduces humidity time after opening or closing the doors. It is powered by 120 volts AC, 60 Hertz. The interior dimensions are 34 inches high by 32 inches wide by 27 inches deep. Let's take a look inside. The cabinet comes equipped with locking doors. To adjust or remove shelves, simply take out the center pillar and you can easily get inside here and move the shelves around. Now I'm going to take out this shelf so I can show you inside down here the actual dehumidification unit. It is a unit that is filled with a drying agent. However, unlike some drying agents, this never has to be replaced. What will happen when the machine is set up and cycling is that every 6 hours, this unit here will go through a recycling period where it will dry out the drying agent with a fan and exhaust it through shutters through the back of the unit. Once that has been accomplished, then the shutters will close. The refreshed drying agent will then again be able to absorb the humidity. The control is very simple up top here. You can set the humidity with up and down arrows. You can also look at the temperature as well. And importantly, there are two switches here. If the fan is running while you're opening the doors, these switches will turn off the fan, which will hopefully keep a higher humidity level from being introduced to the chamber. It is very simple to use, very accurate. I tested this overnight and I had this down to 1% relative humidity. The way we can test that is by presently, hold on, we're at about 42% humidity in the room. What I'm going to do is set this for 1%. And in a little bit we'll come back and we'll take a look and we'll see if it has gotten down to the 1% level. These are the vents where the humidity is exhausted through when it goes through its recycling period, again, for about an hour, once every 6 hours. Cabinet has now reached all the way down to its lowest limit. It has been set for 1% relative humidity, and it's actually made it all the way down to 0. Now, an important thing to remember is as long as the displayed humidity is below the set point, for example, let's say I raise it up to here, 23, let's say. Okay? The recycling process will not come on. However, if for example, let's say I lowered this again to, I don't know, 4. Now we're still below, but once we open the doors, and we once again, there we go. Now, notice that the recycle light has come on, because when you go above the humidity set point, recycling will restart.